Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add Microsoft Planner to Microsoft Teams. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Microsoft Teams, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Adding Microsoft Planner to Microsoft Teams is a great way to collaborate and manage tasks seamlessly. And here's how you can add Planner to a Teams channel. Once you're logged into your Microsoft Planner, I want you to click the upper left corner where you can see the app launcher. And from there, click on Teams. Now, once you are inside the team application, I want you to click the following options. You can join a team with a code, or you can create a new team. Click on this button right here, and then from there, click an app. All right, search apps and more, and that's going to be what we're looking for, is the Planner. All right. You see that? Click on the Microsoft Planner, and what will happen is you have the option to open, review, and a lot more, and click the permissions. This will be added to the Microsoft Teams channel. All right, and from here, just click on open and you would be directed to the planner, which is going to be added to the Microsoft Teams. And you would be forwarded to your planner hub, wherein you can simply select the plan that you wanted to work with. For example, this. Now, open the three dots icon here. Click this one right here. All right, now you can add a task right here. All right. Now, you see there is a three dots icon on the upper right corner wherein you can copy that link to task and be part of the Microsoft Teams, all right? And from here, you can assign this task to your team members and set due dates directly within the Teams interface. Team members will get notifications for tasks assigned to them. And of course, you can use the planner alongside other team tools like chat, files, and meetings. And of course, you see, adding Microsoft Planner to Teams is very easy, and you can bring powerful task management tools directly into your Teams collaborative hub right here, fostering efficiency and success. And you can use the grid, board, and schedule while doing all these. Integrating Planner into Teams is straightforward, making it easy to set up and start using immediately, especially if your organization or your client uses Microsoft 365. Planner is already included, making it a cost-effective choice. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.